how to log into your Google Workspace account. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your Google Workspace account. So first thing what you want to do is simply head over to any of your browser and search in for this exact workspace.google.com website, and you will be heading over to this page, and once you're here, simply click on admin console and you will be logged into this. You will be directed to this interface. So let me just show you over here, and just make sure you have entered the correct details, that is the Gmail which you took to register your Google Workspace account. And once you're inside here, simply enter your correct password, and once you enter your correct password, simply click on next and wait for some time for it to verify your password, and simply click on I understand from over here and wait for some time again. And if you haven't made a payment yet for your domain, simply pay it from by using this try free for adding a promo code, or trying out for free, and simply click on agree and continue. And once you complete all of this process, you will have successfully logged into your One Workspace account. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.